Paid interest on your student loans. You might be able to deduct up to $2,500 of it, even if you don't itemize. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You'll find this in the Deductions and Credits section. Look for Education, and then Student Loan Interest. TurboTax will ask how much interest you paid during the year. You should receive a Form 1098-E from your loan servicer. Enter the amount from box 1 of that form. TurboTax will check if you qualify, there are income limits, and automatically add the deduction. My crucial pro tip, you can still deduct it if someone else paid. If your parents made payments on a loan in your name, the IRS considers that money as if it was given to you, and you then paid the loan. You can still claim the deduction if you're not claimed as a dependent and meet the other rules. Don't miss this straightforward deduction for educated earners. Do you still have student loans, or are you celebrating being debt-free? Sound off below. For more guides on education and taxes, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.